What's up, everybody? Happy Tuesday. Happy Taco Tuesday. Yeah. So I'm making Taco Tuesday. I'm actually making tacos on Tuesday. Anyway, this is a Duke's Deals $8 meal. So this is how I make my tacos. I'm doing veggie tacos. I'm not going to add fish like I sometimes would. You know, I feel like veggies, so I'm doing it. All right. So here is the skillet. I've had the veggies mixed with spinach, also mushrooms, and onions, scallions. I find mushrooms make me feel like I'm eating meat, and it tastes really good and it smells really good too. So it's already cooked. You know, this takes about 7 or 8 minutes. This is something you can make really quickly. You want to make sure that you have the ingredients, of course, but this is what you want to eat when you are trying to lean down, get in shape, and it's the beginning of the year. And who isn't trying to do that? I can tell you right now, the gym is packed, and that's a good thing. All right, so now I have my hard shell tacos here. These hard shell tacos were, I believe, $4. I shopped at Aldi's today. Aldi's has so many great prices, and a lot of products at Aldi's are premium, and some are not. So, you know, you get what you like. Now, these taco shells are super, super hot, so I'm gonna let those cool off. The food itself is ready. Like I said, the veggies on the stove top took about 7 or 8 minutes to make. I chopped my onions and scallions on my chopping block, and this is more like for cooks who maybe don't know how to cook, all right? It's so easy to cook, guys. You just wanna make sure you have a system. Now, you need to get a chopping block. It would not hurt to invest in different color bowls so you can put different types of meat. You know, maybe fish would be in red. Maybe your chicken will be in black. You don't want to mix the two. You also want to make sure that you are organized, because I find out when I'm not organized, then the food doesn't taste as good because I'm all over the place. So set your seasonings in a separate space. For example, I put all my seasonings in this bowl. Have your chopping block, have your bowl, and you're ready to go. Speaking of ready to go, let's make these tacos. All right, this is gonna be so good. And the spinach is so good for your skin. Did you know that spinach actually helps the dimmest part of our skin? There are 3 layers of our skin. The dimmest part of the skin actually produces collagen, which makes our skin tight and right. All right, so when you eat spinach and kale and blueberries, you are promoting collagen in your body. All right, and eat a lot of it because it's good for you. Now, I'm making my tacos. I'm gonna do 3 because that's like my lucky number. But this is a meal that will make anybody happy. You can cook this meal in 20 minutes or less. All right, I am already done. I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, and this is something you would get at a restaurant. You probably would spend $40. I spent $8. Okay, now all you need to do is to add your jalapeno pepper mix. You know, it's called gardenia. What is it called? Yeah, gardeniera. All right, so you add your gardeniera and you are done. Now, if you wanted to do some meat, of course you add the meat you want, but you want to cook the meat separately and then have the veggies and everything else cooked separately. I feel like once it combines together, it's gonna taste so good. Now I'm just gonna add this on top, and you know, it's tacos, so it doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be good. And it is. Ooh, look at that. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next Duke's Deals video. Peace. Who loves you, baby?